Hi guys, I just returned from a shop and we will do unboxing. So I shop at Wisma, dollar store, Scarlet. I don't even know what's Scarlet. Basta, it's a store. And then some pasalubong and some jewelry. Okay, I think it will be a little long, so please fast forward. Thank you. Okay, then first up is I have so much pabango kasi bili ng driver namin to buy for them, and they want female pabango. I don't think they will like it, but this is my pasalubong to them. I won't make them pay na kasi this is like $5 lang naman. This is my pasalubong to them na. Yeah. Charan! Thanks! It's gonna be long, so I don't want. I bought some Colgate. Wala lang. This is for family lang kasi when I was buying, I was like, oh no, my baggage allowance. And I think I will over, so I will hand carry some. I bought this. It smells so good. And this. And I bought two. For family. Secret. Who will I give it? Whatever. Yan! Then, oh yeah. I have something too. I'll show you everything I buy. Let me show you what I've been doing with my life. Sorry guys, give me a moment. If you can only see my bed, it's so crowded. Oh, this is the receipt from yesterday. See, I spent too much. It was like, let's spend like 8,000 or 10. I think 10. That's bad. Okay, let's continue. Wait, something is missing. Something is missing. Okay. What? I'm gonna sit there. Okay, so yeah. Some prickly heat. My mom said buy Snake Brand. So I bought this one. I got serum. Sorry. 2, 3, 8, 4, 5. This is my pasalubong to only close family because should not pasalubong a lot. They can pabili. I bought 2 bigs. I said I'm gonna add, but God, I forgot. And then this, I think it's helpful for someone with kids or baby. I don't have kids. Then I bought some dog men for dad, brother, and pamangkin maybe. Ooh, lala. I thought I bought na 1 more pack. So I'll add na lang. Sabi ko pamigay sa lubang, but I did not pala. Bye, Mad! So, this is my window. You can see, there's so much. So I was like, when I was shopping, I was like, my fats. Don't mind it. I think I will excess my baggage allowance. Let's see. So, 1 Toblerone. Actually, nagmahal na siya. Kasi, the other day, it's $10, 3. Now, it's 3.90 each. So, $4. Naging $11 na siya. By puti. Just because. Oh, about truffles. Truffles. It's nice, right? And this one, I wanna buy 2 more, pero it's ubos na. I was like, okay, I won't buy na. Cadbury. It's a Eclair. This is the plum. Or sword throat. I'm having a backache. Sorry. Give me a moment. And I have a lot more. I'll show you what I've been wasting my money about. This is what 10,000 looks like. I'll show you. Give me a moment. I think this will be, I said 5 minutes video lang. I'm over na. Ay, guys, sorry. I'm sorry. Give me a moment to fix my life. It can't be fixed, whatever. Oh yeah, I wanna try this. Whatever. I'm showing you. This is not all my chocolate, okay? Some are pabili. This is pabili also. So, yeah. This is not mine. I will add it to the pabili because let's buy it. This is my favorite. Look. So cute. And it's so tiny. It's mine. Maybe po pamangkin. Maybe. When I say it's mine, I was thinking for myself, really. So much, no? What have you been planning to do? This is my pasalubong. And some pabili also. Girl is not rich. So, of course, she needs to work and give. Dimwit. I bought some crackers because it looks yum. Oh, this is mine. I love it. I love everything. I grew up. Not really grew up tasting it, but yeah. I want to try everything, but it's not working. And then this is $1 each or 1.2. Not sure. Because it's like this one is brownie. This one is strawberry Snickers. These are new products. Maybe not new, but new for us Philippines. And then this one are like 50 cents or 65. Not sure. Basta it's not cheap. These are $2. Almonds and cashew. Just bought it for my dad. Oh. And then more. Yum. Snickers. My dad loves Snickers. That's for him. And then some of it are pabili. It's not mine. Okay? Not mine. I'm not that bad. I mean, I'm not that goody. Oh! More! Oh, this one, I like, oh, it looks good. So I buy it. Actually, I don't have money anymore. Yeah. I'm gonna try soon. And this, the last chocolate. For real, I swear. Some of it are pabili. Remember, it's not mine long. It's pabili, guys. I'll add it to pabili. One lang. Because I don't eat nuts. Ay! Pasag na siya agad. This one is $5 each. There's one na $20. Why did I buy that, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Family, and then one pabili. I don't know what's her size, but the size are really small. Ta-da-da! These are like $10. 10 or 8, whatever. And it's nice, huh? Like the fabric. This is for my sister. This is for me. But I was like, I think it's small. Like, whatever. It can fit. This is my pasalubong to my roommates, housemates. Or maybe not. I was thinking, it looks cute. There's another one. Oh. This is for mother. Ooh. One for mother? Or maybe, yeah, for mother. One for sister. That's like their accent. Oh, it's so long. This is mine. It was like, it's 25.30 or is it 50? Not sure anymore. I don't have the receipts. I was like, I want it. It's like, this is perfect. And it's adjustable here on the back. So it's like, this is mine. It's so perfect. I need to wax my kilikili though. So, yeah, guys. That's how I spent 10,000 pesos. I was like, I'm not planning to buy clothes. But then I saw it, and for me, it's like cheap compared to the bazaar in the Philippines. So, we buy it. We see it. We got it. We bought it. So I'll show you now. I'll show you how messy this room is. There's so much, and then there's so much pasalubong, and then pabili, and then this is like the only Singapore thing. I mean the chocolate Singapore. I bought one kitchen for mom, and most of it are like wrap magnet because there's barely a sorry. My steamer because I need to steam my clothes. That's not mine. I just asked for it. See. Ay, that's my clothing now. You see it, guys? Just like 10 minutes na. So, I was like, okay, never mind. I'm not gonna shop again. There's too much. And look, it's 6:40, almost 6:50. But the sky is so bright, and I'm spending my money so bad. Goodbye.